Nicholas, look at all the packaging that we have been using every day. Like, how do we dispose them? Where do I find the information?
Yes, it's so much. I'm not sure, is this even biodegradable?
Like, what can we do with it?
Is there any alternative that we could use?
Currently, we are facing a lot of problems with the plastic waste. Food packaging is important to prolong the shelf life and also to protect the quality and also the safety of the food product. So, for example, like this type of packaging is very difficult to degrade and also difficult also to recycle. So the questions now, is there any solutions of this? Can we make a bioplastic? So I come to these places every day and I always thinking about the plastic pollutions because all of the plastic that has been washed away from the land, it comes to these oceans. So when I sit here waiting for the wave and in a good sunny day like this, I found a lot of mussel shell. And it is also waste that it is coming from the environment. That how can we use that as a plastic? Because it's a quite hard materials, but they have a lot of good polysaccharide. So when I come here, I always do barbecue or eating corn, and I see a lot of waste coming from corn. I know that I can use the peel for packaging because a lot of cellulose coming. In the corn oil industry, we have a lot of byproduct coming from the corn protein. So the question is how we can combine it. So that is quite easy. We can combine the corn protein and also the polysaccharides from mussels to create the bioplastic. So this type of petroleum-based plastic bag we use quite a lot in daily life, and we create the bioplastic coming from corn and also polysaccharide from shellfish type of byproduct. So the plasticity is quite similar, it's very flexible. We can seal it like this. So this petroleum-based type of food packaging cannot be degraded. While this type of bioplastic, we can degrade it maybe within a weeks or days, depending on the thickness of the plastic film that we have. But the difference is that this bioplastic can degrade in the soil or also in the water. So it is quite good to solve our problem that we can degrade the plastic, but at the same time, we can prolong the shelf life of a food product. I'm super excited with this bioplastic because you can tick the box all of the function of food packaging, but also importantly can solve the problem with our plastic pollutions. So let's go to ask my friend in marine science whether we can study the impact of these two different food packagings from petroleum-based plastic bag and also from the bioplastic that we just developed.